Hi and a very warm welcome to my kitchen. I am Chef Ananya and today I have digged one recipe from my nostalgic memories. My grandmom used to do this very often. This recipe is called नारकेल खुरीते माछेर भापा. तो देखते रहिए कैसे बनता है ये पुराना and lost recipe which is absolutely awesome. In a plate, take few fish fillets, cut them into small bite-sized chunks. From your masala dabba, add some turmeric powder, some red chilli powder, some Kalonji or kalo jeera. Give this mixture a good mix. Some salt to taste. এই রেসিপিটাতে আপনি যে কোনো মাছের ফিলে ইউজ করতে পারেন, ইনফ্যাক্ট যে কোনো ছোট মাছও ইউজ করা যায়, but since I'm cooking inside the coconut shell, the size of the fish should be small. अब इस मिक्सचर में ऐड कर दीजिए मस्टर्ड पेस्ट, ग्रेटेड कोकोनट, some पोस्तो और पॉपी सीड पेस्ट and some flavorful mustard oil. Then mix everything very well with your hands. Add some shukno lonka or dried red chillies. थोड़ा सा तोड़ दीजिए इसको हाथ से. Then green chillies and a very important thing, the aromatic Gondhoraj lebur pata. That is Gondhoraj lemon leaves. Fill it up inside the coconut shell and then sprinkle some mustard oil for that added flavor. Cover it up with the other half of the shell. তারপর আর কি যেরকম ভাবে আপনি বিরিয়ানির দম করেন, similarly with the atta dough, seal the edges of the coconut so that it's completely sealed. Place the sealed coconut on a gas stove. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes till the bottom is absolutely charred. Guys, just look at this. একদম নিচেটা পুড়ে গেছে আর ভেতরের যে মাছটা absolutely cooked হয়ে গেছে. আমি খুলে দেখাবো কেমন লাগছে. The burnt coconut shell gives an absolutely smoky aroma to this dish which is so unique and so flavorful. That really makes this dish unparalleled. This dish is filled with nostalgia. I remember my grandmother telling me stories about keeping the whole narkol inside nibu unun. That time they used to cook in unun or mitti ka chula, and in that closing down flame it used to get cooked, and when all the cooking in the house got over, they used to open it and they used to find this delicious aromatic. I can't explain you how good this is. You have to try this at your home to understand. We don't have unun or chula now. We cook in gas, but the result is not bad. Save all the nostalgia, bring all the memories back and cook this dish. Recipe अच्छी लगी तो like, comment, share and subscribe.